Hey peeps, welcome back. Today we'll understand the importance of programming. Why do we need to learn to program? Why will it be a necessity in the future? I will start by asking a question. What are you interacting with most in your life? The answer is probably computers, smartphones, tablets, maybe a smartwatch. Soon it will be your personal assistant run, a self-driving car and a self-regulating house by AI. All of this is run by software, and software is built using programming. Learning programming is not only mandatory in professional life, but it is going to become useful in real life also. The more we go into the future, the more we will be surrounded by technology, and knowing how it works will just be mandatory. Soon there will be two types of people, the ones who tell the computers what to do and the ones who are told by computers what to do. In which side do you want to be in? Well, there are not many jobs where computers or robots cannot replace human presence. One of those few is programming. It is 2021 and already a lot of jobs are cut down and are done by AI. A lot of part-time jobs and average skilled jobs are taken over by technology as well. Also, learning programming will teach you a way of thinking, a very pragmatic and logical way of thinking that you can use for other tasks. It develops your problem-solving skills. The most important thing is it increases your patience and discipline. A friend of mine transitioned from software engineer to a cook. While his cooking skills are not as good as someone who's been trained to become a pro chef, but his experiences as a programmer gave him the advantage in terms of organization and preparing things at a scale. Technology is dominating the race between humans and technology. It will be too far along by the time AI or robots will take over 90% of the total jobs in the world. Machine learning and AI are very prominent courses that will be very helpful if mastered properly. For those of you who don't know what machine learning is, it is an application of computing that is focused on building applications that learn from data and improve their accuracy over time without being programmed to do so. Machine learning focuses on the event of computer programs that will access data and use it to find out for themselves. Learning machine learning will also help you with multiple career options. Not only 9 to 5 software jobs, even the businesses are online today, and a lot of them are very expandable using automation. Automation is the creation and application of technology to monitor and control the production and delivery of products and services. Automation will be the next big thing in the next 5 to 10 years. So it will be very helpful even when you have your own business. It is obvious that automation will not erase all the job opportunities, but it will destroy a lot of careers. Even CEOs like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk warned us about the job loss which might occur in the near future, and Elon Musk even suggested a policy called Universal Basic Income, which we already covered in one of our videos. I'll leave the link in the description box. Well, this sums up the reasons why one should learn to code and why programming is necessary in our life or will be in the future. You can learn programming and create some projects which are unique and not available in the market and sell it for huge prices. A lot of people freelance too, which by the way pays you a very good amount of money. If the idea is expandable, you can develop your own startup. A lot of big companies are looking to invest in good tech startups. You can be the next Mark Zuckerberg if you play your cards right. So the next question is, where can you learn programming? You can learn it in your university if you are still studying. You can learn it in websites like Udemy and Coursera. You can also learn it online. There are a lot of YouTube channels and websites which teach programming for free. Some of the YouTube channels are Programming Knowledge, Treehouse, LearnCode.academy, Telescope. There are also a lot of sites where you can learn and practice programming. You can even compete with other people and even with your friends. Some of the sites are Hackerrank, Codeforces, CodeChef, Kaggle. I hope this is enough to get you started with learning programming and create some cool projects. We wish you all the best. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for all the updates. And also check out our blog by clicking on the link given below.